Welcome to LFA's TDP Zero version 2. The TDP Zero has been redesigned from the ground up to provide you with high quality tablets. Small and lightweight, allowing for portability, which is perfect for companies needing an effective tableting solution in the field at a low running cost. This manually operated pill press has a production capacity of 30 to 50 per minute, whilst giving you the option to produce tablets up to 10mm in width and 2 to 6mm in thickness, depending on your tooling. It can produce up to 3.1 kilonewtons, giving you hard, solid tablets. The bushings of the TDP Zero have been upgraded to give smoother action, reducing the friction and increasing the speed and pressure the tablets can be produced at. The TDP Zero version 2 is fitted with our new boot, allowing you to spot potential flow issues with the formulation. The hopper is made from a machine washable plastic that is GMP compliant, BPA free and dishwasher safe. Once set up, fill the hopper with your powder and simply turn the handle to produce tablets. Perfect for research and development and compounding pharmacies, the TDP Zero makes it easy to create tablets with a full manual on how to use, adjust and replace any part of the tablet press. The TDP Zero version 2 has a high quality toughened paint finish which complies with GMP regulations and ensures it's easy to clean after every batch. One of the main benefits of the TDP Zero version 2 is that multiple wear parts are interchangeable with the rest of the LFA TDP range, as well as having standardized tooling. This means shorter lead times when ordering parts. All of LFA's tablet presses come with an information plate, serial number and warranty, giving you peace of mind. LFA also provides free training with your tablet press purchase at one of our facilities to ensure you get off to the best start. For more information on the LFA TDP Zero version 2, please visit our website www.lfatabletpresses.com.